Kusangpo, I'm Namgay Zam. I'm here to give you an honest testimonial about Educare today. This is not a paid ad, it generally comes from my own experience, and I did tell Educare people that I would love to give this testimonial because of the wonderful experience I've had with the app. My son is a toddler and I was always worried about the content that he would be exposed to online. I'm very particular about screen time, so all of my son's screen time is supervised and there's just YouTube access. So I love that there's Educare where I don't need to supervise all the time. It's beautifully illustrated, visually appealing content for children as young as toddlers and then older. If you sign up, you get access to free content immediately. There's this wonderful series, read-aloud series, very well read, the best part about this is when you see the story on the screen, not only do you see the pictures, you actually see the words on the screen and they get highlighted as the reader, the narrator is reading. So your child actually gets exposed to the word and knows which word is being read, and I thought that was a fantastic idea. I personally recommend Educare to all parents, to all children and to all toddlers. If you want more than what you can freely access and want access to wonderful animation series like Four Friends, Monkey King, then you should sign up.